What's up, YouTube? We have a Dewalt Cordless Flexvolt tile saw for under $1,500. Let's show you. Okay, so here it is. We've got a Dewalt D24000 accompanied with a Dewalt power station to make this a full-blown, legitimate, cordless Flexvolt wet tile saw. Again, this is the Dewalt saw, runs about $750 with a stand as well as a blade. You've got your power station down here that runs $300 and 4 6-amp Flexvolt batteries. And these batteries run $340 for 4 of them. Now this power station again can run an array of tools, anything you throw at it. Table saws, tile saws, shop vacs, compressors, compound miter saws, anything. Air conditioning units if you like. Also, the stand is equipped with casters, with locks. And of course, the saw can move from point A to point B. So what we're gonna do today is simple. I have not tested how many cuts I can get out of a full charge with 4 6-amp batteries. As you can see there, all 4 of them are fully charged. We have this power station on simple hooks. You can buy these hooks at Home Depot for $2. Again, you can pull the power station off to use it to power other tools or to charge it. If you want to use a battery for a different tool, very simple. You simply power off this power station, remove the battery, use it for what you need, and then reinstall. So the real question is, how many cuts can you get out of 4 fully charged 6-amp batteries? If you think about it, I don't know, you guys tell me in the comments below, how many cuts do you make per day when remodeling and tiling a shower or a floor? For us, it runs anywhere from 25 cuts up to 50 cuts. I have a feeling that I can make many more cuts than 50 with this power station connected to the Dewalt tile saw. So that's what we're gonna do. We've got tile over here, hard porcelain, 12 by 24. We're gonna cross cut this, see how many cuts we can get. We also have very large format ceramic tile. We will rip these large ceramic tiles and see how many rips we can get. If I were to guess, I'd imagine we can get anywhere from 50 to 100 cuts without a problem. All right, guys, let's talk about price. We're going to compare 3 unique tile saws that are very popular right now. Tile saw number 1, obviously, will be the Dewalt Cordless tile saw, obviously attached with the Dewalt power station. We'll break down cost for that. We'll talk about the IQ dustless, waterless tile saw as well as the Lockman Beast tile saw. Now here are the unique things about these individual tile saws. You've got the Beast here. Now the Beast can rip and cut larger tiles than any of these saws. So that's one unique aspect of the Beast. It can cut very large tiles. It also is equipped and comes with a very high-end 10-inch tile saw blade to cut very hard materials such as porcelain. So that's what's unique about that. Price point, cutting large tile, and a fantastic blade. What's unique about the IQ tile saw, obviously, is that it's dustless and waterless. You don't need water for this tile saw. It includes a gravity stand as well. You can contain the mess. You can contain the water. You can contain the dust. And last is the Dewalt. What's unique about this is you can make it easily cordless with the Dewalt saw as well as the power station. Also, the power station can serve many other purposes. It can charge batteries. You can use the power station to power any other tool. It can power a table saw, compound miter saw, a shop vac, any tool that you throw at the Dewalt power station, it'll power. So let's quickly break down the cost of these three tile saws. First, we'll start with the Dewalt. The cost of the Dewalt, $750. It includes a stand and blade at that cost. The cost of a Dewalt power station to run it cordless, $300, and the cost of 4 6-amp Flexvolt batteries, which aren't very powerful, to be honest with you. I mean, Dewalt offers a 9-amp battery as well as a 12-amp battery, so they're very affordable. $340 is the cost for 4 6-amp batteries for Dewalt. So your final cost for the Dewalt, $1,390. Around $1,400, you get a saw, stand, blade, power station to run any other tile tools, as well as 4 batteries to use for your other tools as well. Let's talk about the IQ dustless waterless tile saw. The cost for this is $1,700, which includes a gravity stand, a blade, as well as the saw. And the B saw with a gravity stand and a blade, the cost is $1,200. So there's the brief breakdown of right now probably the 3 most popular and unique tile saws on the market that offer something that the majority of tile saws don't offer. So if you want a specialty saw, here's the breakdown for the cost and the prices. $1,400 for the Dewalt with a power station that can run an array of tools, as well as 4 large Flexvolt batteries. $1,700 for a tile saw that obviously I've heard good things about, the IQ dustless waterless tile saw. And of course you've got the Lachmann Beast at $1,200, includes a gravity stand and a very high-end blade, and this can cut very large tiles. Okay, so here we go. The moment of truth. Let's see how many cuts we can get out of fully charged 6-amp Flexvolt batteries. Cut number 1. Now the batteries are very warm. 1 bar. So they're depleted. Now let's count the cuts, see how many cuts these batteries produced with the tile saw. All right, so here it is. I'll quickly count these. $76 cross cuts, porcelain, 12 by 24, and 10 rips, ceramic. Well, there you guys go. 76 cross cuts, porcelain, hard porcelain, and 10 32-inch rips with ceramic. Now keep in mind, this is with 6-amp Flexvolt batteries. Imagine if you installed 9-amp or 12-amp batteries, it'll run a lot longer, but that's a heck of a lot of cuts. You can use this saw multiple days on 1 charge. Dewalt Cordless Flexvolt tile saw under $1,500. It's a great idea. Come on, Dewalt, get with the program. We need a cordless professional tile saw. 7-inch, 8-inch, or 10-inch. It can happen, it can work, as you can see here. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Of course, leave a comment below, hit that like button, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.